so much. What's up for another video, yeah? Over to this guy right here.
Morning. We are off to Wilkesworth Wallyhead. That's a funny name for a... Oh no, Wilkesworth Caravan Park. It's a Shortfield Holidays.
That is a bit of Wallyhead.
So we are expecting great things. We are stopping at 3 places on the way. We're stopping at Rufus Stone and we're stopping at 2 ponds. They're not lakes, they're ponds, aren't they?
Yeah.
In the forest. We're going to have lunch on the way.
Wilkesworth Farm
Caravan Park.
It's a Holborn place. It's 52.
No, Shortfield, isn't it?
Oh, Shortfield, sorry.
Shortfield.
It's in Wimborne.
In Wimborne. So it takes about 45 minutes to get there, but it's a slight detour. It's an hour and a half journey plus lunch, so we should be there in a couple of hours' time.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining, which is brilliant.
It is April the 24th.
It is, you're correct. I forgot that bit. April the 24th. And let's hit the road.
We're going camping.
Ready, Max?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bye.
So we are heading west to Wimborne, but with a couple of stops along the way. Rufus Stone, Janesmoor Pond and Cadmans Pond. Let's hit the road. Let's see if we can make it across these 2 lanes of speeding traffic. We've arrived at our first little stop of the day. It is Rufus Stone. For the best part of 25 years I've driven past the sign on the A31 and I've never stopped. So we are now going to have a look and see what it's all about.
Horses grazing. Hello, Horsey.
Hi, Horsey.
Haven't got anything for you today. Here stood the oak tree on which an arrow was to.
It's actually
we should go look for
quite
the
interesting.
Pub.
Yeah, there is a pub. So basically, this is an oak tree on which an arrow was shot by Sir Walter Tyrrell and a stag, and it glanced and struck King William II, whose surname was Rufus, hence Rufus Stone, hit him on the breast, and which he died instantly on the 2nd of August 1100, I think. So there you go, bit of history for you. Rufus Stone and a tree. And there we go, just a quick stop. We're now going to head to one of the lakes or one of the ponds for lunch. And we'll kill some time before we get to the campsite. Now there is a lot more to this story. Was it an accident? Why did Sir Walter Tyrrell flee to France? I will leave to you to investigate further if you want to learn a little bit more about Rufus Stone. And coming up is the Sir Walter Tyrrell pub. A couple of things to note. It has an amazing beer garden and a great children's play area. But in a field next to it, there is a campsite just to the right hand side, and we will be staying at this very soon, we hope. We're going to camp there one day.
before now.
What?
Not well, when we work out on one of our next trips. It'd be cool, just big field there, right next to the pub.
Bring our
Bike
bike.
rides in the forest, right next to a pub. Big field there to play football in, right next to a pub. There'd be like nice little tracks going around all the trees, it's right next to a pub. Any other reasons you need? Oh, it's right next to a pub, I think.
Where can you cycle?
It's up to the pub. And here we are arriving at Janesmoor Pond, a small pond with plenty of parking and a big green to picnic or play games on. This is where we had lunch before heading off to our next stop, Cadmans Pond. So we've stopped here at Janesmoor Pond, which is over there. We're going to have a look around at that in a minute, but it's time for lunch first. And we are having cheese and ham toasties, Max. I wonder if there is a reason for being in such a hurry. This overtake seemed unnecessary, especially with all the animals that roam free and we were doing bang on the speed limit, but we are here and welcome to Cadmans Pond. So here we are at Cadmans Pond. Neither of them are particularly massive, but they're not very blue either. They're quite murky waters, but it's a lovely day. It's nearly 70 degrees, I think, 60 something degrees. Gentle breeze and a beautiful new forest. So this is interesting. I wonder how far that stretches. Might be good for cycling or walking the buggies. And I hope you can hear this because there is a bit of a breeze, but hopefully the dead cat on top is doing good. But it is absolutely beautiful here. So glad we came and we made these couple of stops before we get to the campsite. Having said that, it is 2:30. We're about 35 minutes away from the campsite, that's all. So we are going to head there now and park up and then get the bikes out and head to the pub. So let's head there now and see you there. And we didn't realise, but this is such a beautiful part of the forest here. Definitely going to have to come back and explore this some more. Welcome to Wilkesworth Camping and Caravan site. Here's our pitch. And here is a flavour of the site, but you can see our full review of Wilkesworth Caravan site in this video here. And here we are for our customary campsite trip to the pub. This is the Rising Sun in Wimborne Minster, and this is a pint of Thirsty Ferret. So that was the Rising Sun in Wimborne Minster. Very busy, but good couple of drinks, and now we're going to head back to the campsite for tea. So join us there. We are having today for tea, we're having burgers and we are having chips, and we're going to try and cook this in the Ridge Monkey. We've never done that before, it could be a total disaster. These are McCain Quick Chips. Apparently you can do these in a Ridge Monkey, so
Who knows?
that's what we're going to try.
Find out.
What's worse are going to happen? We could all get ill.
No, I don't think you get hill complicated.
Max, would you like to test the chips for us? Too smart, that kid. One of the best campervan meals we've ever had.
That's a monster burger.
Good morning. It is Sunday the 25th of April. It is day 2 at our Wimborne camping trip, and we've just woken up. Beautiful day today. We haven't quite decided what we're going to do. I'm whispering because it's still only 7 AM, but we're going to have some breakfast and then decide on our plans for the day. So we decided we weren't going to rush around too much today, just a quick walk around the town of Wimborne Minster before we head home, I think. Welcome to Wimborne Minster. We're going to have a look around and see what there is to see, and it looked really nice here when we were here yesterday. Didn't do any videoing though, but hopefully we'll get some clips today and we can show you around the town. This is the Minster here in Wimborne. I have since read that the 2 towers from the Minster can be seen from whichever direction you approach the town. 12 o'clock, come on. There are some wreaths laid in the garden that you can see here, and for your knowledge, the minster is dedicated to St Cuthberga, the sister of Ina or Ina, King of Wessex. She founded a Benedictine nunnery here around 705 AD, and there are also reports there may have been a monastery, so there is a little bit of history for you. Boy Max, this is the Minster Church of St Cuthberga. They do have Sunday worship, but not at the moment, and it is closed.
And yeah, it is closed. Sadly.
There we go. Let's see what's around this side. Such pretty old buildings and streets around here. I think we could wander around for hours, but alas, the road is calling and it is time to head off. And I do have one last piece of useful information for you, and that's useful, not useless. If you have a caravan or a motorhome, or you need a bit more space to park, then try Allen View car park, which is located just a short walk from the town centre. Down one end of the car park there is a coach and a oversized parking spaces, as you can see here. So yeah, that's a bit of useful information for you. And coming up in next week's video, we head off to another campsite, this time near Chesil Beach, where we have a wander around, and on the way there we visit the stunning blue pool, among other things, so be sure to subscribe for that video. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to head home now, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos, so please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more of the same. Have a great week everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy travels.